Hey Gmail users, tired of missing important emails? We've got your back. Today, we'll show you the quick steps to enable desktop notifications on Gmail. Stay tuned for a more alert inbox experience. Open your Chrome browser. Navigate to mail.google.com. Look for the settings icon. It's usually a gear. Give it a click. Select See All Settings. Locate New Mail Notification and click on it. Choose a notification sound from the drop-down menu. Hit Save Changes. Now, spot the lock icon and click on it. Navigate to Site Settings. From the drop-down menu, select Allow. Close that browser with confidence. Here is the next step. Follow the step. Right-click on the Windows Start button. Open up the settings. Click on Notifications. Scroll down until you find Chrome. Enable notifications for Chrome. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.